Good afternoon, folks. This is Marc with Marcs Mobility. We're doing a review today on a Permobil F5. That's correct, F5. You don't see too many of these. This is the top of the line. The F5 is the power chair that has the high-speed motor. So this motor will go up to 7.5 miles an hour in speed. It also has a seat lift that goes to 14 inches high instead of 12. So you get 2 more inches of lift, and you get 2 miles faster in speed to up to 7.5 miles an hour. So this F5, folks, is purple. Don't let it scare you. If you like purple, perfect. If you don't like purple, we can change these little purples here. It's very low cost to change those colors, okay? You can pick your own colors. So this F5 here has 5 electrical function. It has the 14-inch seat lift, the electric tilt, the electric recline, the electric feet to go out, and it also has called the interior tilt, where the seat will tilt forward to help you get out of the chair. It has all kinds of other goodies on this chair. So folks, if you're looking for the top of the line, high-speed Permobil, this is made in Sweden, the highest quality power chair in the world, you may want to pay attention to this one. So to make the seat functions work, you can do it through the joystick or through the quick switch box back here. I'm going to use this because it's quicker for me. So if I hold the first button down, you can see the seat lift going up, okay? You're going to start roughly at 22, 23 inches, okay? When you go up 14 inches, you'll be at 36, 37 inches high, folks. You will be driving at eye level. So if someone's walking next to you, you'll be looking right in their eyes. And that's correct. You'll be able to drive the chair. All right, the seat is all the way up. You'll be able to drive the chair at a really good speed, even with the seat elevated. So let's look at the base on the chair. It's a gorgeous power chair. This is called a front wheel drive. Front wheel drive means your drive wheel is in the front. There's nothing on the ground here, just a tip wheel here, but it's not on the ground, okay? So this is called a front wheel drive. This is really good if you're going to do a lot of outside driving also, because all the weight of the chair, which is over 400 pounds, and a 200-pound unit, that's 600 pounds, will be transferred right here, which gives you good traction if you're going to be in the grass or outside on rough terrain, okay? This is a 14-inch wheel. It's solid. It's not going to mark your floor. Same as the back. This is an 8-inch wheel, not going to mark your floor. This chair has 4 shocks. It's unbelievable. You'd think this is a car. There's a shock here, there's a shock there, there's 2 more on the other side, and they're all adjustable with this little ring right here. You can see if I push down on this chair, you can see the rear shock working a little bit in the back, okay? With the weight of the chair and these 4 shocks, the ride you get is phenomenal. It's just like riding a cushion of air, okay? You can see the armature for the seat lift. The actuator is actually right there for the seat lift. This chair has 2 motors, one for this wheel, one on the opposite side for the other wheel. You can't see the motor, but you can see the neutral lever right here at the end of the motor. This motor starts here. It goes directly to the hub. There's no chain, no belts, nothing like that anymore. Everything goes directly to the hub, so there's no more maintenance, no more greasing, no more noise, okay? Now, if I want to push this chair, well, this chair weighs 450 pounds, somewhere around there. How could I push it? Well, yes, you can push it, but turn the power off, because these are electric motors. Power is off. Remember that little lever right here? Push it down, and now, see if I can grab it. Now you see how you're in neutral, okay? You got to do both motors, unless you want to go in a circle. When you're done, put it back in gear, and I think that's about it for the base. There is anchor points where you can secure your chair if you're going to transport all the way around the chair also. Turn the power back on. Bring the seat back down. I want to show you something also, folks. Some of you have trouble getting out of your chair, or you need to get a loved one out of their chair, okay? Watch this. I'm just going to bring the seat down maybe halfway. Remember I said it had the interior tilt? Let's flip the foot plates up. Watch this. The back will go forward. See it? Just enough. So let's just say you have someone who can't get out of their chair. Folks, you pretty much, or if you need to grab them to help them get out, the forward tilt was really helpful. So I'm going to bring the tilt back down. Okay, we're going to put the foot plates back down. And we're going to keep bringing the seat all the way down because we're going to do the other functions now. Okay, we're all the way down. So the next function we're going to do is called the electric tilt. The electric tilt is when the bottom right here goes back. Of course, if this goes back, it's going to take the legs and the back as they're all connected together. This has a lot of medical benefit if you want to relieve pressure off your bottom, pressure off your back. You just want to take a nap or you want to have circulation in your legs. So this is as far as it'll go. The next thing I'm going to show you are the feet. Now remember folks, if you're 5 feet tall or 6'2", 100 pounds or 290 pounds, we can adjust these seats. We can make them smaller, larger, change the cushions, and lengthen the footplate. We can do all that here before we ship it to you. Now that's a little, I'm going to show you how high that these are going to go. It's a little crazy how high they go, but you can have your feet definitely higher than your body right there. But if you're only halfway tilted, let's just bring the seat halfway down here. Even if you were here, look at your feet. They're still higher than your body, okay? Let's bring the seat all the way down. So we've done 4 functions so far. We have to do the recline now, the last one. So the recline is when the back goes back by itself. You can see it going back. Nothing's moving, but the back is going down. And we're going to see how far it's going to go down. So it's a full recline. Look at that, folks. Perfect. So let's bring the back up and the legs back down. And I'm doing 2 buttons at once. I'm going to bring the legs all the way in, so I want to show you how well this chair will turn inside your home. So I'm going to bring those feet all the way under the chair as far as it'll go. And then when we go outside, we'll put them out again. So if you're inside your home, this is what it looked like. So if you're turning inside your home, this is a front wheel drive, so you get to see how it turns. The rear turns around the front. You see the rear going around the front? This is a front wheel drive chair. It takes a few more inches to turn your home, but they do much better outside if you're going to go in the yard or anything like that, okay? I'm going to put the legs out. The feet, the legs, I call them legs. And I'm going to show you something else about the chair. Let's bring the chair here. So the seat on this chair is a Roho cushion. This is an air cushion. There's a little valve right here that you open up, and we have a little plastic pump that you can pump air in here. And you can adjust the pressure. There's hundreds of individual air bubbles in here. You can hear them. This is the most expensive cushion. Most people like this cushion. Some people don't. But this is the most expensive cushion. It's a 20 by 20. As I said, it doesn't really matter because we will fit the chair before we ship it. Now here's something very important. These arms right here are gel. So you can see, I don't know if I can show you. Nah, I don't have enough strength. But these are all gel. All this is gel. You also have a USB port if you want to charge your phone right there. This is a breathable material in the back. So if you sit on here a long time, you're not going to sweat. You have a safety belt. You have a swing away joystick so you don't hit your joystick. When you go to a dining table, you can move it a lot. You can come real close with a dining table. You have an adjustable headrest in the back. As I said, this chair's got everything. Fully adjustable headrest right here. And right here, you may not be able to see that, but don't move it around a little bit more. Right here, where the reflector is, there's a power button. This is your breaker. Listen, I'm going to turn it off right now, okay? There's no more power. Everything's been turned off. So when you get your chair, the first thing you'll do, you'll see a note where it'll say power. So you go here and it's inside. So find that button, but you do need a strong finger. I had someone call me back before, and they swear that it was broken. Put your finger, pull it back. It's a heavy-duty breaker. This is made in Sweden. Everything is high class, the best there is, just like your Rolex watches. Made in Sweden. This is the top quality power chair in the world. I think I've covered everything. Let's bring it around, all the way around to this side. Oh yeah, I forgot one thing. It has factory headlights. These lights will light up your whole driveway, folks. Rear lights, front lights, rear lights. You have hazards, left flashers, right flashers. So folks, I don't think I forgot anything. When you charge the chair, you get a Permobil charger with it. This may not be the charger, but we'll use this one for today. You will get a charger with it. You plug it right here, right below the joystick, and when the light goes to 100% or full or green, the charger will recognize the batteries are full and they'll stop charging. So let's do a quick recap. I think this chair had 38 miles. So folks, this is a Permobil F5. You don't see too many of these because this is someone who wants the extra that you can get with a Permobil. This F5 has 38 miles. It was used 2 months, 3 months at the most. This one has the 14-inch seat lift, the electric tilt, the electric recline, the electric feet. It has the interior too, where you tilt your seat forward. It has the gel arms. It has the swing away joystick. It has the Roho cushion. It has the safety belt. It has the USB port, the breathable back material, the headrests, the headlights, the tail lights, the solid tires, the anchor points, folks. And it has the high-speed motors of up to 7.5 miles an hour on this chair. So if you're looking to spend money and you want the top of the line and front wheel drive, there's nothing more top than this one. This chair is fast. So I saw on here the top speed was 7.3 miles an hour. They're not always exact, but I saw 7.3. And when you stop, it has built-in brakes in the motors. So you don't have to worry about, even if you're going downhill, uphill, you stop, it'll stop exactly where you're at. You can also use the joystick as a gas pedal. You can reduce the speed here, or you can leave the speed at full speed, but just use this like this. If I just push it, I'm barely moving. I like to keep it on fast and use this as a gas pedal. You can tell when you drive a real expensive chair how it rides. I ride them all the time. The rides on these is incredible. This one will have no problem at all in the grass. Matter of fact, it picks up speed over here. So this chair is incredible in the yard because it weighs 450 pounds with the suspension and everything else. It's just incredible what this chair will do in the speed. So what we're going to do, we're going to raise the seat up right now. I'm going to show you what it looks like with the seat elevated. There's some leaves. If you're going to use it with a seat lift, I was losing my train of thought. If you use it with a seat lift, just on nice flat surface, okay? They're real nice chairs. Now we'll see how fast it goes with the seat elevated. Okay, we're all the way to the top. Let's turn it around and see how fast it'll go. So it goes 3 miles an hour. So walking speed is about 2.2. This is faster than walking speed. The nice thing about this, you could be walking with someone or rolling with someone and you'd be talking to them eye level. If you're in the kitchen, you can do your dishes just like this on this side, not on the side of the joystick. So you would bring your countertop right here. You can do your dishes, or you can raise this up and do your dishes with the arm up. Or you can restuff off the second, third cabinets, refrigerator and everything. So if you're looking for a nice chair, this one has 38 miles. I got to ask my tech person here. We did so many videos today, 38, 39, 69. So this one, we can change the color. It has 5 functions: tilt, recline, seat lift, tilts forward. It has the headlights, the anchor points, the Roho cushion, the gel arm, the swing away joist. Just a nice power chair. Well, top of the line in high quality. Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marcs Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.